So the question is, what is the best use right now in Amazon PPC, especially when it comes down to implementing AI? The first thing, if you are joining from the beginning, I walked through a tool that I use called Snapple. It's our own tool, something that we created with this in mind. It is for Amazon advertising without that obvious of this is a bid optimizer, this is a keyword negator. So the purpose behind that is that for Amazon PPC is going to be very important for us to not only bring traffic to a listing, but to make the listing convert, and higher our chances are to convert if the images that we are generating traffic towards are going to be resonating with your customer. So that's something that we've seen on our end. Seemingly, it has nothing to do with Amazon PPC, yet it has to do so much, especially for a brand that we onboarded a month ago. Their CPC is super high. They are selling both in supplement and also beauty. So two very highly competitive, very high CPC niches. What we noted is that even if we're advertising for highly relevant keywords that are exactly describing our product, our ads are still not converting. And it has nothing to do with the fact that we are not targeting direct targets, which could be obvious, but it has to do that whoever we are competing against, even if we are competitively priced and fulfilled by Amazon, still we don't have competitive advantage. So what we did on our end, we were creating, again with this Snapple, you can check it out, Snapple AI. We were creating with this tool some images, and then we A/B tested via Picfu. So Picfu is a platform that is going to help you with split testing, and we A/B tested the two images. The image that we have right now, and then also an improved image that is basically, let's say it's a protein shake. Now it's only a package of the protein shake and says nothing about the flavor. It says like it's the protein shake, like there's no glass there that is going to kind of like give you an idea that, hey, this is the color of the product. So what we did, we took the main image, that is basically the product, and then next to it, we also added some cocoa beans and also glass that is see-through, and you can see the dark brown color of the actual product, right? After we did that, we ran a Picfu test. It was only for a small number of respondents that were exactly our audience, because we wanted to prove, even with 15 people, it was a landslide. Out of those 15 people, only one was the one that would have bought the product while looking for that highly specific keyword for the main image that contained nothing. And then the rest 14 people chose in a landslide the other main image, which was with the product, the cocoa beans next to it, and the glass of the protein shake, how it actually looks, which can make you think, can make you understand that this is highly relevant to PPC. So that's how we see AI being implemented, improving imagery. It's something that right now AI is really, really good at. Now, of course, you can use AI for tasks that you have right now, because I literally started today's live session showcasing the example of what we did and how crazy that can be, that you can change just in a few seconds, just like that, the click-through rate for a product.